It's so natural.
You belong to me.
This reminds me of those things people put on their face. It's like.
We're back. It's Nanette and Asia with another episode of Shots and Swatches. We got some amazing product for you. What are we talking about?
We got
today?
some tequila.
Can't forget the tequila.
But we are here to talk about our Chill Out Holiday Collection. It is so beautiful.
Beautiful.
And our favorite product is the Killawatt Foil Palette. Damn! That's a big mirror. You got the colors, and they're beautiful, creamy, metallic shades. I mean, like, you could get icy, wifey.
Yep.
Haters wanna fight me. Or you can get real hot.
And steamy.
Ooh.
First, we're going to kick it off with another shot. I'm going to kick it off with my favorite shade, Stone Cold, appropriately right in the middle. I love it because it's just this soft lavendery color. Yep. It's got like cool undertones, but something about it just makes me feel like it could be warm too. I'm just going to dig in. Ooh, yeah, it's so creamy.
You know what's crazy though? This color, like when we swatch it, yeah, it comes up like that, but you can really sheer it out so it doesn't look, I don't know what I just did. Oh, I'm on an angle today.
She's on it, Bender.
It looks good. It works.
Yep.
I love it. Next round. I'm gonna go in with Chills.
Oh, I got the chills when you said that.
And Chills is this shade right here. So pretty. It's like an icy white color. And as you can see, I am giving you the middle finger. It actually has like hints of blue too when you turn it a certain way. And now you should have went on an angle like me. This is looking real tiger stripe.
You should have just done it straight. I mean, you know what actually I love about these the most? They change depending on the light, like how you look at it. Like here it looks a little bit more blue, but then when I look like this, it looks a little whiter, cooler, snowy.
I love that our shot glasses have cactus.
It's so apropos.
I don't know how to.
Oh my god, it's like I'm 21 again. Not in a good way.
Honestly, like, what would be really fun is if you guys did shots and swatches too and tagged us in it.
Yes.
I would love to see that, like a girls' night out or a girls' night in with your friends or a guys' night in for all the fellas swatching us.
I love that idea.
I'm single.
Oh. Y'all shot and swatch together. I'm gonna have a replacement soon.
They might swatch something different.
Oh.
Whoa. They came out. They came out.
Just very appropriate. This is called Scandal Ice. Scandal Ice. You know, it's this beautiful lavendery, got pink undertones color. You know, I'm all about the lavenders. I mean, it's purple, it's blue, it's pink. It's just it's a
I got distracted. I couldn't even do mine because it's just so pretty on you. This whole vibe right here is giving me an eye look that I will wear to the Poconos, to Big Bear, to Lake Tahoe.
Big Bear.
I want to go skiing wherever it's cold.
That's true.
This is where I want to wear these shades, but wear like a bomb-ass fur coat, like down to my ankles, looking rich AF.
I think we could help you with that.
Never hold the shot in your mouth. Don't do it. Now.
Oh. She caught me by surprise.
This beautiful blue shade, because everyone is into the blue right now. We're in the blue. I love doing like this because, no lie, these shades are so creamy. Like, this is like soothing. I can just... It's beautiful. I mean, like, this is the icy blue. It's not even that icy. It's a little, it's like,
warm.
It's a mix of the warm and the ice, because blue does make me think of ice. But when you see it, look at, ooh, oh goodness gracious, gasps. This color I would love to use like as a shadow, of course, but then it's really pretty if you take like a wet brush and like an angled liner brush and give them a sharp cat.
Oh, tell them,
girl. I see a really pretty look with this, but I'm really ready to get into my warm side.
Oh yeah.
I like to get a little deep and sultry.
Oh yeah.
I want to warm you up on a like ice cold night by the fireplace with my eyes.
Okay.
Gonna net, get it. She don't want to dance. She don't like the shot no more.
I have like a little bit of gag reflex at this point.
Cheers.
No, I should have watched you.
We're counting on you.
Okay. Next up, let's just move on to the next one. Heartburn. I love this maroon color. Obviously, because it goes with my color scheme. It's just like such a beautiful, rich burgundy. You know, I want to wear on my eyes. I actually want to wear a little bit on my lips. Here we go. Ooh.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, can you see like the different, much like the other ones, as you move it around, there's,
I got a little far over there. What I really like about this color though is that out of the shades in the palette, this one gives me a little more like, a little less shimmer, so it's really good to kind of make like a smoky eye look. I feel like I'm sweating like my...
You got a little something, but you know what? That's the nature of shots and swatches.
Shots time!
Shots time! I don't know how you're dancing, because honestly...
Because this is what tequila make you want to do.
It makes me want to throw up a little bit, but...
Okay, so Cop and Ice is this beautiful copper. Look at the color.
It's so pretty.
And I'm just going to go ahead and swatch it on my arm. Look at that.
So if you're like afraid of color, Cop and Ice is a really good kind of like starter color because it's not too orange, not too crazy. Like, when does copper or gold ever look bad on anyone?
Yeah, I don't
It's
think
amazing
I've
on
ever seen
everyone.
anyone. Unless they don't know how to do their makeup, then sorry for you. I keep going like this, even though I'm not adding anything.
Yeah.
It feels really good to touch though. Like, that's how you know it feels good on your face.
Yeah.
If you can touch it
Yeah.
and you feel good, look at that.
Yes.
Now I'm just kind of shearing it out.
Let me try. Okay. Oh yeah.
Look,
we go.
blendable, spreadable. Drop down and get your eagle on.
Your what?
Although we've come to
here we go.
the end of the road. Yes.
Girl, I can't
let go.
the road.
Yes. Ooh, I like that part.
All right, we about to hit the bunny slopes. This beautiful orange corally color, and I think orange just really brings out like the warm golden undertones on your skin. It's just super flattering. Just so pretty. And I love how it's just like, it's really golden on you.
Yep.
And it's a little more sheer. You sheared it out this time because
Yeah,
you got
I did.
real intense over here.
This is my Tony the Tiger orange.
Oh.
Hey, Tony. I forgot to tell y'all a trick.
Oh, she's got a trick,
trick.
y'all. I don't know
got
what
a
this trick is.
One of the things is like, if you don't really know what colors to pair together in a
Yeah.
palette, they actually are meant to be paired this way across from each other.
Oh.
So you actually can make a nice look.
Yeah. I think we should just get into our looks. Shall we do some makeup looks? All right, let's go. Cheers to us.
That was a terrible idea.
Okay, for my look, I'm gonna pull in a little bit of our eye crayons. I'm so obsessed with the Frost Honey trio. I mean, I love all the trios, but I
Nice.
mean, look at this container.
And I'm gonna give me a nice little sultry smoky eye because I'm feeling real fiery and hot.
I mean, I just have my foundation on, Pro Filter 210. And then I warmed it up with a little bit of matchsticks in mocha, and then I did rum for a bronzer. So first I started with a crayon. If I were in a more edgy look, I'd have this cool pretty penny like red eyeliner.
That's
What do you
pretty. Let me see. Did you wing it a little bit? Ooh.
Oh, you know.
I already like it so much. I could just stop here. And then I'm gonna take our all over eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna go in with Cop and Ice. I'm just gonna apply that on the lid.
I'm gonna take a little bit of Cop and Ice too and put it on top of my crayon. And then I have a monolid, so the way I'm gonna do my eyes is a little different because I have to kind of work with my lack of crease. So right now I'm doing like a soft wash of color. Like I didn't want to do a smoky eye because I did a smoky
But
eye
that's
last
really
time.
pretty on you.
I just like gently patting it. And I had like a darker color closer to the lid, and then I brought this lighter color up more. If I were to do a smoky eye, I put like another dark color here to create like a crease. But today I just want more like a wearable everyday look. I'm not trying to get all smoky eye this time.
Okay, sorry.
Maybe next time. But you know, if I were to do a smoky eye, I'd put this in the crease.
I'm just looking at my eyes and it's like, hello, I'm Asia. I'm talking like a 90s commercial where they're like, this is the hotline. This is Asia giving you icy
What
hot
kind of hotline
with the
is
Fenty
this?
Beauty Killawatt.
You
So I'm
know-
gonna take Heartburn and just go, I'm gonna kind of imitate what I did on my lid and hit under eye.
I'm gonna take a little bit of Stone Cold and put it on my brow bone just to spice things up a little bit. And they're, you know, they're contrasting colors, so I think that would be nice.
I always wonder, like, what's the best space you can make when you're applying your makeup? Like, most people, you know, you gotta like, you gotta like do some crazy stuff. How can you possibly do it while being cute? Like, do I have to be like,
I'm going to take Heartburn and I'm going to kind of use it as like a nice little under smoke eyeliner. So I'm taking more of a precise brush and just going to use it as a lower lash line.
I'm going to take our highlighter brush and I just need a little brow bone action. And then I need like some cheek action. What's your pick right now for this smoky hot look that I'm going?
I'm kind of into the Stone Cold because I was thinking I'd use it on my cheeks and we can see like how it's on both of us. I'm super inspired by Sub-Zero to make like a wing line on top. So I'm using fly liner and I'm kind of dabbing it because we had a lot of shots and I'm a little unsure of my own ability.
I got a little messy with myself. Yes, I'm practicing because, you know, when Rihanna uses our cheek highlighting brush, she's always like, ooh, ooh. So I'm gonna do that motion while I apply it. And 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Ooh. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my highlight because I haven't done my highlight yet. I think I'm gonna go for Stone Cold and a little bit of Coffin Ice as like a blush almost.
I'm really feeling Coffin Ice, so I'm gonna take Coffin Ice and apply it to my lips in the center. I'm gonna tap mine off with my all-time fave gloss bomb.
So I've got So Chilly. This is like a coral pumpkin-y rust color.
Oh, look at you.
Earlier, I said I just picture us in like a beautiful snuggly coat. So here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the gray.
I'm about to like kill a Cam. Cameron, if you're watching this, holla at me. Me and Nanette just did our thing with the holiday collection. We chill out bling. Icy then hot. Something you're not. Maybe you are if you buy our Killawatt Foil Palette. Come through, homie. You don't really know me, but you're about to know me. Follow me at A Perfect Plan. Follow Nanette at Nantucket. Call us back. Hotline bling. All you gotta do is hit the thing.
Give us a ring.
Yes, that was better.
And see you next time.